Namaste Ji. Welcome to Shiva Style Fitness. Today, I am here in this beautiful forest. I was going on a trek. This was a 9 kilometer trek. And on the way, I felt like doing some vinyasa. I was really tired. So I thought, let me do some vinyasa to rejuvenate myself. So come, follow along with me and let's do this vinyasa together. Sit in any comfortable cross-leg position. Cross your legs, palms on the knees, and just breathe. Focus on the breath. Start the class with one Omkara, long and loud. All together. Inhale. Now rub your palms, generate some heat, place your palms on the eyes. Be gentle, blink, open your eyes and look into your palms first. Namaste. The flow of the class will be gentle warm up, then we'll move into Ashtanga Surya Namaskara A, followed by 3 short sequences and ending with a relaxing asana. So, come on, let's start with the warm up first. So everyone, all together, come into a plank, high plank. From here, drop your knees down, chest down and chin down. Now with inhalation, scoop up, lift your chest up to Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes, exhale, go back to Parvata. Inhale, come to plank. Exhale, knee, chest, chin on the ground. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, tuck your toes, go back to downward facing dog. Inhale, come to plank. Exhale, knee, chest, chin on the ground. Inhale, scoop up. Exhale, go back to down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knee, chest, chin. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knee, chest, chin. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, go back to down dog. Inhale, plank. Drop your knees, chest, chin on the ground. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, go back to down dog. Now drop your knees and come into Vajrasana. Extend both your arms up, interlock your fingers and bend towards the right side. Stretch your lateral side. Inhale, center. Exhale towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale towards the right. Inhale, center towards the left and relax. Come back to downward facing dog and slowly walk your legs forward and between your palms. Now roll your back up and come back to Samasthiti. Starting with Surya Namaskara A. Ekam, inhale, Urdhvastasana. Dviye, exhale, Uttana. Trini, inhale, head up, chest up. Chatwari, walk or jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shata, exhale, downward facing dog. And we stay there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up. Exhale, look down. Uttana. Inhale, Urdhvastasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, Urdhvastasana. Dviye, exhale, Uttana. Trini, inhale, head up, chest up. Chatwari, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, up dog. Shata, exhale, down dog. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, bend your knees, jump forward in between your palms, look up. Ashto, exhale, Uttana. Nava, inhale, Urdhvastasana. Dasha, exhale, Samasthiti. Moving on to the first sequence. Ekam, inhale, Urdhvastasana. Dviye, exhale, Uttana. Trini, inhale, head up, chest up. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, up dog. Shata, exhale, down dog. Now, bring your right leg forward in between your palms, both arms up, left heel off the ground, and twist to the right side. Both arms and lengthen sideways and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to center. Lift your left leg up and come into warrior 3. All your body weight on the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Both palms down. Jump back to chaturanga. Inhale urdhva mukha. Exhale adho mukha. Repeating on the left side. Left feet forward in between your palms. Both arms up. Now twist to the left side and both palms extended sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to center. Now shifting the body weight on the left feet and extend the right feet backwards, coming to warrior 3. 1, 2, 3, balance, 4, and 5. Palms down. Jump back to chaturanga. Inhale urdhva mukha. Exhale adho mukha. Now drop your knees down and relax in child pose. Take a couple of deep breaths there. Catch your breath. Just be there. Now tuck your toes, push your hip up and find yourself into a downward dog. Do a Vinayasa, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha and Adho Mukha. Now lift the right leg up, extend it all the way up. Bend the knee. Keep extending and now let the leg fall down and take your right palm at the back. Coming into Chamatkarasana. Stay there. 3, 4, and 5. Bring your palm back. Now take your right leg to the left side and lift your left hand up. Coming into another back bend. Staying there. 3, 4, and 5. Palm back down. And take your leg up. Bring your feet near the left palm and your knee near the right palm. Going into Raja Kapotasana. Just be there. 3, 4, and 5. Palms down. Take your leg back. Go into downward dog. Chaturanga. Inhale urdhva mukha. Exhale adho mukha. Now lift your left leg up. Take it up. Bend your knee and drop your left leg on the ground. Take your right hand up. Chamatkarasana. 1, 2, 3, and take your left leg to the right side. Be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring the hand back. Now take your left leg up, bringing the left leg in between your hands. Be there into Raja Kapotasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring your palms back on the mat. Lift your upper body up and go back into a downward dog. From there, Chaturanga. Inhale urdhva mukha. Exhale adho mukha. Now drop your knees and relax into child pose. Just be there. Relax. Take a couple of deep breaths. We are done with 2 sequences, just left with 1 more. Now tuck your toes, push your hip out, find yourself into a downward dog. Go into Chaturanga. Inhale urdhva mukha. Exhale adho mukha. Now bend your knees and jump through and sit down. Next asana we are moving on to is Upavishtakon Asana B. So hold your big toes and open your legs wider. Expand your chest. Be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Now bring your feet together. Come into Baddha Konasana position. Interlock your fingers behind your feet to bring your heel closer to the perineum. Now take your arms behind your head and drop down. Baddha Konasana variation. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come up. Now keep your feet together and take your palms 1 foot away from you on the back side. And on the next inhalation, just lift your hip up. Make sure your feet are together. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly drop your hip down. Palms on the ground, cross your legs and go back to Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Drop your knees. Go back. Relax into Chari Pose for a couple of breaths. And then take your feet forward. And lie down. Moving on into the cooling down asanas. Now bend your knees. Bring your knees closer to you. And hold the big toes. Now press the big toes downward. Try to place the knee on the ground. Just be there into Ananda Balasana. You've done a beautiful practice. You do deserve this relaxing asana now. Just be there and breathe. Now hug your knees and extend your legs forward to lie down into Shavasana, the final relaxation pose. Just relax. Easy. Surrender to the mat.